There are certain species or cultivars of trees which have coppery, reddy, purpley coloured leaves all year round, and they are an anomaly in nature and they wouldn't survive in a normal woodland because they would be outcompeted. They have a metabolic disorder. While they do still have chlorophyll making their food underneath, the colour that we see with the human eye is that anthocyanin, which is the reddy purpley colour. And that's blocking a lot of the chlorophyll. All leaves have anthocyanin because it protects young leaves against ultraviolet light when it first comes out, but then an enzyme comes along and breaks it down. The coppery trees and shrubs that we see lack that enzyme. And it's a bit like dogs. Do you know the way we crossbreed dogs? I mean, dogs are a man-made animal anyway, but we crossbreed dogs for some features, either to do with the nose or the ears or for short hair and things like that. And those dogs normally have issues with reproduction or respiratory problems, all these kind of things. These trees are sort of the same. They're just kind of a glitch in the system of nature, but then humans came along and took those trees and then planted them into parks and gardens because we love to see variety and love to see strange things happening. So those trees, while they're not man-made, are only still around, or we only see them because we took the ones that were off and then we keep taking cuttings from those ones. So you might see the copper Norway maple, the red Japanese maple, or Prunus nigra. The best example of this, of the anthocyanin breaking down over the year, that I like to give to people is Photinia red robin. This guy here, Photinia red robin. So the Photinia starts off, its new growth is red, a really strong red, and then over the year the enzyme comes in and breaks it down and all the secondary growth is green. So that's, I suppose, the one to look out for. And in this time of year, October, November, when you see all the leaves changing colours, there are some trees that are just holding that all year round. Thanks very much.